A new issue has popped up in Windows 11, and it's affecting Microsoft account sign-ins. Even if your internet is working fine, some apps may refuse to log you in. Let's break down what's happening and how to fix it. Microsoft recently confirmed a known issue affecting Windows 11 versions 25H2 and 24H2 after the updates released on March 10th or 11th, depending on your region. Users signing in with Microsoft accounts may see errors in apps like Microsoft Teams Free, OneDrive, Microsoft Edge, Excel, Word, and Microsoft 365 Copilot. The error message usually says something like, "You'll need the internet for this." It doesn't look like you're connected to the internet. Check your connection and try again. The confusing part? This message can appear even when your device is connected to the internet. Microsoft clarified that the issue only affects sign-in operations involving Microsoft accounts. Any feature in the affected apps that requires a Microsoft account login could trigger this error. Microsoft provided a simple workaround. The issue happens when the device enters a specific network connectivity state. To fix it, make sure your device is connected to the internet. Restart your device while keeping it online. This should repair the connectivity state and prevent the error from showing again. Important, if you restart without an active internet connection, the device may return to the problematic state, and the same error could appear. Microsoft is working on a proper fix, which should arrive in the next few days as an update. For now, try the restart workaround if you're affected. I'll also keep you updated once the official resolution rolls out. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.